BTC is going to hit its all-time high. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sabir from Russia, and today we are going to do TA on cryptocurrency market, especially on Bitcoin and paper coins and others meme coin also, and also Ethereum. So guys, watch the full video and hit the like button and subscribe our channel. So guys, on CoinMarketCap website, you can see Bitcoin today's price is 62,967. It's I think a 30 minutes before it's almost it was 63,000 something, but now it's going down, and 24 hours you can see it has changed. Bitcoin has changed 1.52%, and its current market cap is 1,244 billion, 600 something, 700. So it's going ups and downs. It's okay. Then Ethereum, today Ethereum price is 2450 units of gold, and 24-hour Ethereum has changed 1.27%. It's looking sounds good, and Tether is okay. BNB is current price is 569.75. 24 hours changed 1.24%. So guys, today you can see today crypto prices is going a little bit higher. It's pumping, and as you see, it's the global crypto market cap is 2.19 trillion, and 24 hours is increases 1.55% over the last day. So today market is going to pump a little bit. Then you can see the Solana price is 146.68, and 24 hours Solana has changed 2.23%. That sounds good. Then XLP is doing not so good also. It's 0.5336. 24 hours changed 0.74%. Then Dogecoin, one of the most popular coin, the biggest popular meme coin, is 0.3417. 24 hours is changed 2.60%. So Dogecoin is doing a little good. It's trying to pump a little bit. Let's see how. Then Tron doing so for code is 0.15 15 cents. Then Toncoin is 5.23. It's okay, consolidating little bit. Then Cardano is doing good. Avalanche is doing good, 626.87%, 87 dollar. Then 24 hours changed to 2.75. So Avalanche is doing so little good. Then you can see the one of the best popular coins, Sui. Sui is doing good. Current price is 1.94, and 24 hours it has changed 12.332%. Oh my god, it's absolutely very good. So he's doing very good from over the last few days. Last month also, it has started on last month. Then Litecoin is not so good today, 66.31, and 24 hours it has changed minus 1.75%. Then Uniswap is good so far. Uniswap is doing good, $7.24 per token Uniswap, and 24 hours it has changed 6.27%. Oh my god, it's good. Then as you see, I'm waiting for this coin, Pepe, most popular coin. So its current price is 0.1026. It has changed 24 hours 10.16% Pepe. So I think Pepe will break its all-time high record. So many people, as I know, so many people already bought Pepe token when it was pumped last time around 117 something. Then so many people got, and suddenly it go down. So it's a hope like for the previous people. So Pepe is trying to pump. Then let's see how much it will go up. Then cash pump, and as you know, Mr. Da Vinci also, who told us to buy Bitcoin when Bitcoin was only $1. So this guy is supporting Casper, and he also wants to share his opinion for Casper, telling people to buy Casper tokens as much as you can, and also waffles and also orc. So waffles is on a coin, as we all know. Then orc is supporting waffles and orc. So if you have some money to some amount to buy tokens, so make sure you have some waffles and orc, because I believe waffles and orc will pump. It will they will hit 1 billion market cap, and it will do so good as Pocket is doing so good. So whoever bought Pocket is, I think, already made some money also. So anyway, then another as you see, another token is dog Wi-Fi to WIF is doing so good, $2.63 per token, and 24 hours it has changed 16.1, and oh my god, it's so good, sounds very good. I think it will touch $3 very soon. Let's see how what will happen. Then okay, KB is $41, it's okay. So guys, Bonk is doing good. 24 hours it has changed 9.66% plus. So it's doing good. Then Big Get token is doing today is not doing so good. Then Pocket is doing Amazon Pocket on Solana blockchain 1.43 dollar per token. 24 hours it has changed 14.36%. Flock is doing good, 4.95% change plus. Then what is the Polygon, one of the best coin is Polygon, $0.31 per token, and 24 hours it has changed a little bit, 0.33%. So WLD World Coin 1.93, and it has 24 hours changed 4.20 percent. It's good. Its market cap 982 something, 11 something. So guys, we have to check the BTC chart on gate.io. Let's see how. So here you can see BTC right now 6. Oh my god, BTC is looking, BTC going down. It's already touched 62,896. It's a bearish market now start, and very big. You can see a long bearish candle too. It's 1 hour chart. So guys, as we start the video, once we start the video, that time BTC was 63,900 something, I think. Not 62,000. Sorry, it was 62,000 something. It's okay. Sorry, it's my mistake that it's doing BTC. It has changed 1.39% by the following day. So guys, in this time, BTC is making bearish candles, so selling pressure is more, as you can see. Very long bearish candle is going to make. So BTC is doing trying to pump a little bit, but then start to go down then, because the selling pressure is more. But guys, I want to tell you one thing. BTC prices are now currently standing very crucial place. I mean, 60 to 63,000. It's very crucial price. So here you can see BTC just made a spike and long blue candle. It's green candle, 63,000 something, from 62,676 to 63,596. Very good green candle. Then it will has touched one more 63,890. Then it's slowly going down, then one more candle, then it's continuously going down, and I think it will go down to 62,500 something. And let's see how. So BTC is trying to pump up, then getting rejection, trying to pump up, getting rejection. So this time, maybe hopefully BTC will do good, and it will touch 73,000 and break its all-time high record very soon, hopefully. So hold your BTC coin and continuously watch our videos and follow our channel, subscribe our channel, like this video and share with your friends. So guys, all the time I will try to upload videos and try to share news about our cryptocurrency and other things also. So make sure you subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.